I'm Danielle with WTI.
If you are tired of cutting up your documents with scissors, burning them, or ripping them up like I am, then you need this shredder from KRT. KRT. I gotta be honest, I am a bit paranoid about throwing my stuff away in the trash, so I have accumulated a lot of paperwork over the years. So I love that this shredder can cut up to 15 pages at a time. And if that wasn't fast enough, it does it all under 10 seconds. It can also shred a variety of things. So whether I had paper, staples, cardstock, bank cards, whatever it was, it got it done. Not only is it really quiet for such a heavy duty shredder, but it also has a really cool auto shred function. That means it only starts when I put the paper in and then it stops once it's done, so I don't have to hear it running the whole time or worry about it overheating. This shredder has a bit of weight to it, so I appreciate that it has wheels so that I can easily move it around wherever I need it. But the thing I love most about this shredder is the peace of mind it gives me. The way this cuts is so good. I don't have to worry about someone piecing together my information or even being able to make out what's on there. I'm telling you now, I will never, ever go back to cutting up my documents with scissors again. And thanks to this shredder, I don't have to.
That's my point of view.